Today experiment is gain, directivity and beam width of a pyramidal horn antenna. This is our pyramidal horn antenna. This horn antenna is X-band frequency range. X-band frequency is 8.2 to 12.4 GHz. And this setup also called micro wave test band setup using GAN oscillator. This is our GAN power supply. This is power on switch. This is display. This showing voltage and now down. Then is shows current. And this knob varying voltage. This is our amplitude and this is our frequency knob, and this is GAN supply and this is pin supply. This is our GAN oscillator, this isolator, pin modulator, frequency meter, tunable detector, directional coupler, and this is our horn antenna, pyramidal horn antenna. The total section is transmitting section and this is our receiving section or receiving GAN horn antenna, and this is detector and this is our VSWR meter. VSWR meter, this is our 4 scalar showing, this is expanded, this is dB expanded SWR and normal SWR. This is power on switch, this is meter selector, expanded, normal and -5 dB. This is range selector, range in dB, and this is input selector, always 200 ohm. And two knob is gain selector. This is fine and this is coarse. This is the input of this meter. And this is DSO, digital storage oscilloscope. Now set the power supply 8 volt. And now press the antenna that is receiving, that is transmitting antenna, receiving antenna both face to face, or R distance between receiver and transmitter is 0. Now phase equation is PR is equal to PT GT GR into lambda by 4 pi R square. PR is equal to received power, PT is equal to transmitted power, GR is equal to receiving gain, GT is equal to transmitting gain. Now solving this equation, that is GT GR is equal to PR by PT into 4 pi R by lambda whole square. Now GT square, when GT and GR is same, when transmitting gain and receiving gain same, then GT square is equal to PR by PT into 4 into pi R by lambda whole square. Now GT is equal to root over PR by PT into 4 pi R by lambda whole square. Now 10 log GT is equal to 10 log base 10 PR by PT into 4 pi R by lambda whole square to the power half. Now solving the equation, Now this position reading needed the reading 10 log PR, 10 log PT and frequency and wavelength. Frequency is this frequency meter reading, that is 9.75 gigahertz, and and 10 log PT is 0 dB, showing this scale 10 log PT is 0 dB. Now distance between receiver and transmitter, measuring this scale, the distance between distance between transmitter and receiver is 7. Scale is 10 centimeter. Distance between receiver and transmitter is 10 centimeter. So R is equal to 10 centimeter and receive power is 10 log PR is minus 7 dB. 10 log PR is minus 7 dB. Log PR is minus 7 dB. Now radiation pattern measurement table is angle and gain. Now it is 0 degree angle. This is face to face. 0 degree angle. The power is 0 dB. The power is 0 degree angle. The power is 0 dB. 0 dB. Now move this angle 5 degree, 10 degree. This is minus 5 dB. This is minus 5 dB. This is minus 5 dB. Now rotation this 10 degree angle. Now this is minus 10 dB. This is minus 10 dB. Minus 10 dB. Minus 10 dB. Now rotation this angle 30 degree. This is also minus 15 degree. This also 10 or 5, 15 dB. 15 dB. In the same process, we are apply 360 degree reading is 0 dB. 350 degree reading is 5 dB, minus 5 dB. 340 degree reading is minus 10 dB. And 330 degree reading is minus 15 dB. And plot these graph paper. This is polar graph, 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, and 350 degree, 340 degree, and 330 degree. And plot this point and plot this graph. This is angle and this is gain. Now R is equal to 10 centimeter and 10 log PR is equal to -7 dB and 10 log PT is equal to 0 dB and frequency is equal to 9.75 gigahertz. Now wavelength is equal to C by F. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second divided by frequency 9.75 into 10 to the power 9 in hertz. So wavelength is equal to 3.077 centimeter. Now putting the value in our equation, that is 10 log PR is equal to -7 dB and 10 log PT is equal to -0 dB plus 20 log. Solving this equation, 4 pi by r is equal to 10 centimeter, lambda is equal to 3.077 centimeter. Putting this value and calculate this value and solving this equation, that is 12.61. Now GT means transmitting gain, transmitting antenna gain and receiving antenna gain is equal to 12.61 dB. This is our pyramidal horn antenna gain.